Just picked up this little mini bike with this little 79cc. Finna throw on this 224. Sheesh. We got the mini bike expert right here. Look, that's how you know. That's how you know right there. Low key, we're gonna try to get this one running right now. Maybe go get some gas because we're gonna need gas to get this running.
It does, huh? Oh, no. The chain's too loose.
So pretty much, we move the engine forward. Hopefully the chain doesn't fall off now. So it's the next day. We got our parts now. We got a new rear wheel, brake assembly, a clutch, and a chain. I went with the 40 chain.